Aloe Vera Gel for a beautiful skin. In cosmetology, the healing properties of aloe vera's gel are regularly vaunted. Nowadays, the cosmetic industries put forward the efficient treatment of skin problems with this plant and use it in several preparations. But you can also enjoy the aloe vera's healing virtues at home. The easiest way to extract its gel would be by cutting a leaf in two in the direction of the length. This gel is incredible for skincare. It's useful for cases of genital herpes and lichen planus, acne, eczema, psoriasis, burns, boils, itching, and inflammation. It's also an excellent basic ingredient for many beauty masks. Here's how to use aloe vera for a healthier, beautiful skin. 1. To fight against skin aging. Aloe vera has the capacity to help the synthesis of collagen and hyaluronic acid of the epidermis and therefore helps to prevent skin aging. To make an anti-aging mask with aloe vera, simply mix gel with cucumber pulp. Apply the mask on your face and let it work for 30 minutes before rinsing. 2. Burns. Aloe vera is an excellent remedy for superficial burns. If you had a small accident in your kitchen, mix aloe vera gel with vitamin E oil and apply to your burn. You'll feel an instant relief. 3. Exfoliating. For a quick and soothing exfoliating scrub, use the inner part of the sheet as an exfoliating sponge in the shower. 4. Moisturizing. The aloe vera gel is a powerful and gentle moisturizer. To make a hydrating mask, mix a natural yogurt and aloe vera gel until you get a homogeneous paste. Apply on the face and leave for 15 minutes before rinsing with cold water. 5. Hematomas. The aloe vera gel can also eliminate hematomas. Apply it directly on the bruises for a quick appeasement. 6. Sunburn. Aloe vera has soothing properties similar to menthol that can help reduce sunburn, and it's a perfect remedy when associated with olive oil. 7. Exfoliating heel care. Simply mix oatmeal with aloe vera gel and body milk. Apply the mixture on your heels and let rest about 30 minutes. It will soften your feet and moisturize them in a remarkable way. 8. Oily skincare. Aloe vera is also an effective ingredient for purifying the skin thanks to its enzymes that allow the elimination of dead cells and regulate the production of sebum. It becomes an ideal remedy when mixed with honey and lemon, which both are excellent allies for oily skin. To profit fully of these amazing properties, mix the gel in a blender. Add a tablespoon of honey and a spoon of lemon juice. Mix and apply on your skin. Let the mixture sit for 20 minutes, then incense with cold water. For a best result, apply this mask twice a week. 9. Skin lightening. Aloe vera gel clears the skin and reduces the pigment. For this, mix the gel with lemon juice and a tablespoon of olive oil. Apply it and let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water.